Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thanks for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 2015 Chrysler 200 in the S trim in a beautiful silver exterior. This vehicle does have a clean Carfax, one owner, and just right over 64,000 miles, loaded with tons of features. So let's go ahead and take a look around. Starting in the front here, nice styling from Chrysler on this 2015. You will have high intensity headlights, LED runners, and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. You will have your two grills here, honeycomb, your honeycomb grill insert. You have some nice chrome accents with your high gloss black. Everything just works together. Looks like you have like new tires all the way around. As always here at All Things Automotive, looks like they're wrapped up in a nice set of Goodyears here. Like new brakes, rotors, along with a fresh oil change. New cabin air filter and a fresh PA state inspection. We do not skimp on reconditioning here at All Things Automotive. We'll get into the exact specifications here in just a bit. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, guys, really nice, clean interior here. You have some a couple different elements working with you here. You have your leather, you have your double stitching here. Looks like brushed aluminum, kind of a chrome, and then you have this faux wood grain. That's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle here. As you can see, you have a nice leatherette bolstered seats. You have your S stitched in right in there into the seating, just comfortable all the way around. Again, loaded with tons of features. We'll get into that. But I'm going to take a look at the used car mechanical check sheet. Now you can find these in all of our vehicles here at All Things Automotive. Looks like 7:30 seconds. The rears are getting light, but we do price these accordingly. Everything is great, good to go. Looking into the rear of this mid-size sedan, this seat's kind of pushed back kind of far, so let's go ahead and put that up there. As you can see, that's pretty much all the way back. So let's go ahead and put that up here. See how much leg room we got. Plenty of leg room here. You do have a flow-through center console back here. Okay, again, leatherette seats, very comfortable. Cup holder folds down with storage. And look at that, you have your panoramic moonroof here. So a lot of nice, comfortable convenience features here today. We'll go ahead and pop open the trunk and see you have some massive storage back here. Looks like you have a fold down 80-20 split for more cargo space. Let's go ahead and lift up. Yes, you do have a spare tire, jack, and accessories. So that's your trunk space, very large. So you will have no issues putting everything you need to get in there, okay? Let's go ahead and take a look at the driver area. Like I did want to mention, you will receive two keys for your added convenience. They are proximity keys. You can lock, unlock with just the touch of a button here. Okay, you will notice all your door locks, mirrors, windows, adjustments, etc. right here at your fingertips. You will have power adjustments on the driver's seat. Coming up here, you will have your lamp selector, brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster, okay? And you will also have a trunk release button right there. So let's go ahead and start it up. Looking at the key fob really briefly here, you have lock, unlock, and then there's your trunk button, and you have a remote start. It is push button, so we'll put our foot on the brake. And we'll let our key rest right there in one of our mini storage facilities, okay? Nice backlit LED there, nice blue color, okay? On the steering wheel, you have your control pad for your center clusters. You can display all kinds of information here, as you can see. Pan through that, left, right, up, down, anywhere you want to go. You will have Bluetooth, so you can be hands-free. And over here is your cruise control. And you will notice, okay, you do have an S mode right here, and there's paddle shifters on the back of the steering wheel. Makes for a more fun and aggressive drive. So a lot of different driving capabilities in this vehicle. Coming over to our infotainment center, nice large touchscreen display with plenty of options here. Okay, you will have heated seats and your heated wheel. There's your media, so you can hook up your phone, connect the Bluetooth audio device. Okay, again, your climate is right here, so you can control that here or here, which is really nice. Everything is powered by Uconnect, so you can kind of customize that however you'd like, download all kinds of apps. Pretty great for a 2015. Coming down here, like I said, you have some hard buttons for your volume and your radio. And then you have your climate control down here. You will have your knob style shifter. I believe 14 or 15 is the first year they started putting these in. These Chryslers. Electronic parking brake. Two cup holders here with some nice storage. And then if you just push that back, you have more storage down below. Looks like you have USB auxiliary and another 12 volt. So you can be charged and connected at all times. When we come down here, you will also see some additional storage down there for whatever you may need. And another deep storage console. So this car is not without storage, let me tell you that. Okay, Coming up here to our nice panoramic moonroof here. It is functional here, as you can see. Your net comes up and your top part goes all the way back, okay? I'm gonna put that back, and I think it does have a shade here. Let's go ahead and put that shade. That shade will go all the way up if you need it to. Protect you against those UV rays on those sunny days, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, so pretty clean interior, no rips, stains, tears, definitely no odor, smells like a brand new car. It is a 15 with 64,000 miles, really good shape, local trade in here. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood at this point. Under the hood, you will find a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. As you can see, it is clear of any exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. As I always say, our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. Now you made it to the last portion of the video. If you're still watching, you might just be a buyer, and this portion is for you. This is where we go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on our vehicles here. Keep in mind, they are pre-owned. This is a 2015. Okay, we like to make them as clean as possible, but you will have some normal road wear and tear. On the front of the hood here, you can see some pretty minimal stone chips all the way around. Okay, some light road wear here, nothing that sticks out. Our reconditioning team did an amazing job. Okay, you will see some curb rash on some of the wheels there. Okay, looks like a shiny new rotor poking through there. Okay, up top here, no chips or cracks in the moonroof. All the high gloss black trim is in pretty good shape. Minimal wear and tear on that. Okay, coming around to the trunk, no dents or dings that I'm seeing here. That might just be some sediment there or some dust from the garage. All the way down to our lower bumper, you will see a blemish there. Coming up the driver's side, a few blemishes here where those panels meet. But as you can see, no dents or dings that are visible. Really good shape here, guys. Even on the mirror caps, there's not a lot of wear and tear there. You will see some if you really get down on it. Okay. And then the interior, guys, very clean. There's some small wear right there on that lip of the seat. Other than that, very clean vehicle, guys. If you have any questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com. You can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved within 5 minutes. And yes, we do take trades. Okay, this vehicle is not going to have any factory warranty left. You do get a 30-day or 1,000 miles limited powertrain warranty here at All Things Automotive. But for your peace of mind, please ask your sales consultant about extended coverage. All right, guys, so come on out, 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.